guys, welcome back. So today we've got this Mark 7 Golf R that we installed the Verkline suspension kit back in for a BILSTEIN suspension upgrade. But before we jump into it, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, also notification bell, and you won't miss if our new videos go live. So if you recall, we had this car in a couple of weeks ago to have the full Verkline suspension upgrade. So that's the front subframe with the front arms, and then the rear subframe with all the rear arms as well. So it's a complete subframe and suspension arm overhaul, which the customer really enjoyed. He was saying on the phone that he set his personal best up the hill climb, and the car obviously feels a lot better, as it would do when you upgrade all those parts. So the reason why we're installing BILSTEINs now is they didn't get delivered in time, and obviously now they're here, we're going to get them fitted. So the customer's gone for the BILSTEIN B16 suspension kit. So that's 10-click adjustable on the rebound and compression, so we can get those all dialed in. And obviously the customer can then adjust it himself as well if he wants to. And then with the ride height adjustability on the coilovers, we can get the ride height just right, and then also adjust the corner weights as well. So yeah, we're going to get the car in the workshop, install the BILSTEIN B16, corner weight the car, and then also get it on the alignment machine as well. So hope you enjoy this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, then please give us a thumbs up. If you'd like to watch other videos of ours that YouTube thinks you'll like, then click up here. If you'd like to watch some other videos that we have in the same playlist, then click here. And obviously if you enjoyed the video, then we really appreciate if you gave us a subscription. And then obviously you'll be updated when other videos of ours go live, and you can do that quite easily by clicking here. Hope to see you soon.